Hey YouTubers, Captain Kenny here. I've got a 1999 diesel 6.5 that I recently put a new injector pump in. Well, it's been kind of acting up. A couple codes have been pulling up on the OBC2, and it says that the turbo wastegate solenoid is not operating properly, and it's got a miss on cylinder 3, which I found out that this is probably related to the timing needing to be set back to top dead center. So I turned around and bought an Auto Enginuity scan tool with the GM package. I got tired of taking my truck into the dealership and getting bent over, so let's do a little unboxing of this. Cold beverage. There you go. I think that's just a address label. That's not actually a shipping label. Bubble wrap. Comes in a little case. You think it would come in a case. It was $429 plus tax and shipping. Ended up costing $479. So this tool is not very cheap. We have got a Windows installation directions. And I believe what all you have to do, this comes with a thumb drive. You put the thumb drive in the computer, and all the GM stuff is located on this thumb drive. And then after that, you plug this into the OSB plug under the dash, plug this into that, and plug it into the laptop. So that's what you get. Doesn't seem a lot for $400, but if it fixes our problem, we'll be set. README one USB drive containing software, supporting files, electronic version of the scan tool guide. One Auto Enginuity scan tool Pro line VCI connector. That's this thing. One USB connecting cable. Insert the USB into your PC's USB port. The setup program will automatically install the process. Follow the instructions. If you purchase the enhanced version or the Pro line version, VCI connector will be programmed with activation codes. Okay. We don't need to look at the problems yet, because hopefully we won't have any problems. Let's go. I guess you're going to have to select something. Yep. Got to push it all the way. Going. Looks like that's flashing just a tad bit. English, German, or Spanish. Do I need to read that agreement? Let's see. Just copyright stuff. The warranty, 90 minutes or 90 miles, whichever comes first. Okay. I accept shop name. Complete custom. No, we'll do a complete install. Click install. Looks fairly quick. Boot the program up.
see here. Check that up in. I think we're gonna hook this up in the morning. I sure hope this does what we need it to do, because I'd sure be pissed off if it ain't.
Okay, that was the unboxing of the GM version of the Auto Enginuity scan tool. Tomorrow morning we'll hook it up to the truck, we'll clear that top dead center and see if it fixes the truck. Y'all stay tuned, y'all check my video out after this, and I appreciate you watching. Leave me some comments down below and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.